Alright, good morning everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Good morning from here at Disney's Grand Californian Resort. So I'm heading down to catch a quick little bite. We're gonna head over to Disneyland right after we eat for rope drop. And it's supposed to be overcast, kind of chilly, and possibly raining majority of the day. So we'll see how that goes. And I've dressed somewhat appropriately for the occasion. So hopefully everything ends up being okay, and hopefully it doesn't rain too much today. We're gonna ride as many attractions as possible. We're gonna pin trade as much as possible. It's gonna be a very fun day. So let's go catch a quick bite, and we're gonna head over to the park. Currently a small line to get into downtown Disney. Almost there. Oh, it's chilly and windy. All right, we have made it, and now we are going to get in line. I think we should get in line over there because we're going to Rise of the Resistance first, and it's on the left side of the park.
I love cars, so that stuff was neat. That was super cool.
Go ahead and vote, though.
Everybody is running. You're not supposed to be running.
Get me running.
You're here in front of Adventureland.
I'm kind of strong.
Julie.
You're too late.
Thing sells out or whatever.
We will not count.
It's on like a big
Depending on what you're talking about,
so back there.
you're looking for that hashtag.
So they've been on. So I don't know if y'all get
We're going. Everybody slow down. Don't run.
Guys!
We all here?
Yeah, no, don't run over
Is
there.
everyone here?
I'm the unofficial guide here.
That's right.
Everyone keep up.
Yep, keep going.
Stay right. We're going. Excuse me, no running in the parks.
They can't listen.
Everybody slow down.
Nobody listens.
If I start running, I'll be in first place. Some people went the other way. Trying to.
Madness.
It's gonna be a little shaky. Someone lost a button.
You lost your button. I'm not
Someone lost a
stopping.
button. Okay. Are you with me? We're doing it.
I'm dead.
This is a little farther than I
This
thought.
is so far.
Yeah, it's
Getting there. We're walking. Everyone else is running though. Okay. Slow down. Well, we finally made it to the line.
It's already 45 minutes.
Well, we made it. Wait time 45 minutes. Line for Rise. Excited.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8.
That's not far down.
Good. Should be a flight prep. Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. May the Force be with us.
Sequence on deck 3 for Pokhara.
Resistance sympathizers, this ship is now property of the First Order. You will exit immediately and head down to interrogation.
Pay attention, everybody. It's not that hard.
The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
They're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach in detention block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route.
It's the AT-ATs.
These two droids anyway.
Priority alert. Detachment to level T. There they are! Fire! These things monsters balls! Take orders now! Hurry! No, not up! I said down!
This does not look good.
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
The end of the line for Rise is now back here. All right, next up we're headed over to Doc Ondars. Take a look at a couple lightsabers. Might get one or two. We'll see. It is so empty over here in Galaxy's Edge right now. It's the emptiest we'll probably ever see it. Of course, it is road drop. Everyone's in line for Rise or Smugglers, or they went to other attractions in the park. Alright, we are now heading into Doc Ondars. Take a look at the lightsabers.
We have Calcusses if anybody wants them. We have Calcusses, this one. Everybody's been wanting Calcusses.
Asset acquired. Alright, next up, we're gonna hop a ride on Space Mountain. pin trading spot is going to be inside Little Green Men's Store Command. We'll take a look at it now.
And of course, Frontier has
Pin trading. Thank you.
Got some great finds there at that spot.
Magical day, everybody.
This thing is so tiny.
Around the same thing, I believe.
Come on, everybody, here we go! Together there!
Now hopping inside Mad Hatter to take a look at their pin board.
Oh, there's one of these too.
Hi.
We like your
We
keys.
do. We have adult and child. Two adult.
Here, Ash, you see yours too.
What about Chewy?
Sure. There.
Yeah.
So, once we get
Great finds here.
I even thought about buying one because they sell them.
Alright, next up we're hopping inside Westward Ho Trading Co. Go take a look at their pin board.
Yo.
Don't see it. We're gonna check out the pin cart just inside the entrance to Frontierland here. See if they have anything we like.
That one feels really well. I got second side. I think it's I think that's a pizza. Hello there.
Hello. I think we're good here. Alright, next up we're gonna hop inside the Pioneer Mercantile, see if they have anything we like. Alright, so here's the pin board here in the Mercantile.
1016.
Hercules is always fun. I'll go after that one. Alright, next up is Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Soaking wet.
Here we go, Buster. It's gonna be so much fun. Remember, you can freeze it out.
The oldest attraction in Disneyland. Hopping inside here to take a look at the pin board.
Are you here with us? Yeah, she said she was putting something away. I didn't really understand what she was referring to, but
8-bit Mickey is next to it, that one there.
thank you.
Yeah, of course.
All right, a couple good finds there. Now gonna hop inside Pieces of 8, which is just next door. Take a look at their pin board. All right, next we're gonna hop inside Pooh Corner, take a look at their pin board.
Maybe next time, huh?
Maybe next time. I was looking. It was a tough call.
Interesting.
Yeah, I know.
Because Mr. Owl, I love the silhouettes, but I'm not chasing those, and I got rid of my silhouettes.
Oh, up there, yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, I think I'm good too.
No refresh today.
You what?
No manager yet, so didn't get a refresh.
Nothing. Okay.
All right, thank you.
Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Of course, there's always my way.
We will continue our tour momentarily.
Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at.
They'll be expecting me. I'll see you all later.
Doors creak and the tombstones quake.
Come up for swing and wake.
And they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and the ghost will follow you home.
Nothing there. Currently soaked. Then back over to downtown Disney to eat. Then go back to the hotel and change. Then we'll go from there. It's been pouring rain most of the day. And it's also very cold and windy.
Well, once you come back to Tomorrowland, everyone, and good evening everyone, we'll have to start monorail. As you enter monorail left, please lower your head and watch your step. It's a low clearance through those doors.
Oh, that's fantastic.
See a few.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so we finished up lunch. What was it called? Tortilla something? Here in downtown Disney.
Tortilla Joe's?
Yeah, I think that was right. Tortilla Joe's or something like that. here in downtown Disney. Pin traded at the pin trading spot near the front of downtown Disney. Now we're headed over to World of Disney. Check out their big pin board. Hopefully get a few more. Take a look at the pin board here beside World of Disney. See if we see anything.
Oh, I do. Peter Pan.
Oh yeah.
Her back is